let's plant our onions in cell trays. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and we are currently in February, and what we're going to do today, we're going to start our onions off in cell trays just to give them that little head start in getting growing before we plant them out. Usually you plant these straight into the ground in March time, but obviously then they need to start growing and take root, and yeah, we're going to give them a little head start so that when it gets round to March they'll already be growing and we can get them in the ground. Now the thing is, we're planting onions straight in the ground is that you can have issues with birds pinching the tops off when the shoots start popping through. They pull them out, and also mice and rats and squirrels can come along and pinch them as well. So one of the reasons why we're starting them off early is to protect them from that, because when we put them out they won't be too fussed about them because they've already started growing, and hopefully get them in the ground pretty good. So yeah, let's get some cell trays and let's get these planted. Now if you're anything like me, you hoard seed trays, what you'll get with your plants in. Now my greenhouse is absolutely full of them. I always save them because it's good to recycle and it's good to reuse. So these are perfect for them. Look at them, just like individual cells, so we can put an onion in each one. So we need to get some compost in it, give it some water, and then get the onions in place. So we filled them with compost. We've got 50 bulbs, so yeah, we've filled 50 cells with compost. Let's give them some water so that we can put the onions straight into the compost. So we're giving them a nice good soak. So it's a case of putting each onion in each cell now. So these are the varieties that we're going to try growing this year. We've already got some onions in for the winter, which will be ready around June time, but yeah, we've got a second crop. So hopefully we get some decent onions this year. So let's start off with the Centurion ones. So it's going to be a case of just getting an onion and pushing it into the soil like that, just so that it settles in. This one's even shooting already. Look at that. So yeah, nice and easy. And then when you plant them, you can just take the cell out and plant the full cell with the roots on. And there we have it, all of them in the cells. And as you can see, we've got some shoots coming on them already. So yeah, they will take root and they'll start growing. Next up is obviously put a label on them so you know what variety they are. Not like I always forget, but we've got plenty of labels this year. So we're going to label them up so remember which variety they are. So that's them all done and labelled up. So let's go on to the red onions and the other white onions and let's get them all done. So there we have it, all of them done and looking good. Now to put them somewhere nice and warm so that they'll start sprouting. We're going to keep them in as polytunnel in a mini greenhouse so that it's an extra layer of protection, and hopefully that'll keep them warm and frost free and hopefully get them sprouting, especially with this warmer weather what's coming this week. So that's them all in the greenhouse, nicely tucked away, and yeah, we'll probably water them every couple of weeks. They won't need much watering at the moment, just to get them to help start sprouting. But yeah, I'm excited. Gardening season has begun. So if you've enjoyed today's video, make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with how well the onions get on this year down here at the allotment, and hopefully we'll get some great harvests from them. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.